We'll guide you through how to fix the keyboard typing the wrong characters like letters or numbers on a laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is a really annoying problem because you're trying to go and type and then the wrong character is put there. We're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure you watch this full guide step by step, as there are different reasons this may be happening. So if you're finding that numbers are entered when you go and press a certain letter, this could be due to the numlock being turned on. Now this does vary a little bit depending upon the laptop, but what you want to do is go and look at the top here if there's a numlock key. If you go and see one on one of the F keys, what you need to do is go and hold the FN key and then you need to go and press it. Commonly it's going to be F11 or F12, so while holding FN, you then go and press one of those keys. In my case, that isn't a numlock key. We actually have a dedicated key here. So this is currently turned on as it's lit up. So what I do there is tap it to go and turn it off. And then if I had a laptop with a keyboard, which had numbers and letters in the same key, I would now be able to just go and use the letters. But if you're in this situation of where it's still happening and numlock's turned off, the next thing we need to do is we need to go and check what keyboard has been set on the laptop, because different regions can go and have different keyboard layouts. Press the Windows key and space like so. And then what you want to do is you can go and keep the Windows key held down and press space to go and choose the layout you want. For example, France uses the A30, which I don't want. I like using the US or UK layout. So go and use the region you're from, and then that keyboard will go and be used. Hopefully that solves it. If it doesn't, come to the bottom and right click on the start key. Then you want to go and find the option for device manager. What you want to do is go down and find keyboards, and you can press the arrow to the left. Now what you want to do is go and right click on the keyboard and press update driver, press browse my computer for drivers, press let me pick from a list, choose it there, and you want to go and press next. Go and see if when you do that, it solves it. You can go and press no here. And if it still isn't working, you want to go and right click on it, go and press uninstall device, and you want to press uninstall. Then you can go and press yes, and hopefully when it restarts, the problem will be solved. Leave a like if you found this useful.